You are watching Shayna-Renee.
What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna-Renee, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses, if you must, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform this regular bra into more of a cute little bra. For this project, all you'll need is needle and thread, a sewing machine, or some E6000 glue or fabric glue. Either one is fine. So to start off this project, I'm going to remove the bow and I'm going to use a seam ripper to rip the inside of the fabric. If you don't have a bra top with this type of fabric, you can skip this step, but I would advise you to get a bra that has like this extra little covering over, and I will definitely show you why later. So I'm just gonna seam rip this part off. It took a while, so I'm just gonna fast forward through that part. One thing I forgot to mention is go to like one of those really cheap stores that have the bras for like $1 or $2 and make you a cute bra. That's what I did. This bra was only $2 and I made this look so cute from $2. So go do that. So after that, I wasn't able to seam rip the sides, so I just cut it as close to the edge as possible with my scissors. Now, being that I'm going to be making this bra halfway down towards my nipples, I'm only going to cut a portion of this bra cup out. So you have a choice. You can eyeball how far down you want it, or I would suggest you put it on your body, make a mark and measure how close you want it to your nipple. Make sure it's not past your nipple so you don't have your areola showing. I just did that and I used chalk to outline of how I wanted it to sit on my body. So I did mine in a curved shape. As you can see, it kind of comes down in a curved shape. Now you're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Now there's two ways to cut the other side of the bra. You could either take the cup that you just cut and put it over the other side of the bra and cut the same shape out. That's what I was originally going to do, but I decided to just fold the bra in half and cut the shape out in that way, just so it's more of a exact cut, because sometimes I be messing up and my cuts be a little bit off. So I decided to do that. I felt like that one was a better method for me, but either one could possibly work. If you choose to do the first one, I would suggest you make sure that you're cutting the slants on the right side. You would have to turn one of the bra cups on the other side so that way it matches up perfectly. Now, within cutting this, open it up at the end so you don't cut off that middle part. Now, with that middle part, you have a choice. You can leave that middle part high up like that, or you can cut it off. I didn't cut it off at first because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. I just wanted to see first, because it could look like a cute style, or you could add some elastic at the top like I was originally going to do, but I didn't. So I ended up folding it down later, but you'll see. So all I'm gonna do is take that extra fabric and I'm going to wrap it around the bra so it could look a little bit more seamless and not look like it's just a cut bra. I'm gonna wrap it around and then I'm gonna pin it so I can sew it. This is the reason why I said to use a seam ripper, so that way you can have that extra fabric to fold over so it can look nice and seamless. So this is the difference between sewing this and gluing this. If you are sewing like I am, you will have that little dent mark in the bra because it's foam. So you would have like a little dent mark, which is cute. I didn't realize it until I was sewing. I'm like, oh snap, but it worked out. Try to sew slow, because if you're not good at sewing straight lines, it's gonna look crazy and then you're gonna mess up your bra. Now, if you are gluing it, it is easier because you don't have to worry about that part. So that part is good to go. It'll just look flat and regular. Okay, so now that I sewed both sides, I don't know what happened to this clip of me doing the straps, so I'll just explain how I reattach the straps. I only took off the top of the straps. I did not take off the bottom part of the strap. I took this little piece, I'm pointing to it on the screen. I took this little piece of the side of the bra and I used that to make a little loop to stitch the bra straps back on. I just put it on in between, I close it up, and I sewed it behind, or you can glue it behind. So that's basically what I did for the strap, and if you want to stop here, you can, but it's simple enough. That is how the strap got on, and now it's time for the cute little fun part. So this is actually, I think it's for a curtain, I'm not sure. I had to cut off the bottom part so I could just use the tassels. So for this part, all you have to do is just put it straight across. If you want like that straight across look where all the tassels are one size. And for me, I didn't want that. I kind of wanted it to have like a little bit of a curve at the top. So I am placing it on the bra, seeing how I want it. And I decided to kind of go up the cup a little bit. And then when I go on the other side, I decided to go straight down. You can cut here if you want to do it like that, but I did not cut it. I left it all as one. So pin that down how you prefer to have it. And then from there, you are going to sew. Just make sure you have the ends touching each end and make sure it's tight and it's not loose. Sewing it is a little bit harder, but gluing it would definitely be easier. So after you do that, you are basically done. The bra is done, it looks good, and it's good to go. I think it is such a cute, simple design that you can do if you need to just have a quick little photo shoot at your house, which is what I did, or if you want to make it for a costume or even for an audition. You can definitely do this and add a whole bunch of other embellishments. This is how it looks, and I'm super hype about it. I have other bras that I created. I never recorded it. This is when I was like first starting out. I'm still a beginner, but let me know if you want to see another bra like this one here, or just another bra that I decided to make. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Later. Don't forget to subscribe.